Welcome back to the channel Auto Cars Land. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting aspects of urban transportation, the 2025 metro train. As cities across the world continue to grow and expand, public transport systems are evolving to keep pace, and the 2025 metro train is a prime example of cutting-edge technology meeting sustainable design. The 2025 metro train represents a major leap forward in both engineering and commuter experience. Designed with a focus on speed, safety, energy efficiency, and passenger comfort, these new generation trains are redefining the way people move within metropolitan areas. One of the most notable upgrades in the 2025 model is the enhanced propulsion system. Powered by advanced electric motors and regenerative braking technology, the train not only runs faster but also consumes significantly less energy compared to older models. This helps reduce the carbon footprint, making it an ideal choice for eco-conscious urban planning. In terms of design, the 2025 metro train features a sleek, aerodynamic profile that minimizes drag and maximizes speed. The carriages are constructed with lightweight, high-strength materials that increase durability while maintaining efficiency. Inside, the coaches have been completely revamped with wider doors for quicker boarding and alighting, spacious interiors, and modular seating arrangements that can be adapted based on rush hour needs. Digital information displays, automated announcements, and advanced lighting systems add to the modern experience. The train is equipped with state-of-the-art safety systems. From automatic train control (ATC) and positive train control (PTC) to obstacle detection and emergency braking, every element has been fine-tuned to enhance operational safety. CCTV surveillance, smoke detectors, and integrated alert systems ensure the highest level of security for passengers. Moreover, real-time monitoring from central command centers allows immediate response to any irregularities, keeping the entire network running smoothly. One of the most appreciated upgrades is the ride quality. The 2025 metro train runs on upgraded tracks using new generation suspension systems, which means smoother acceleration and braking with minimal vibration and noise. For passengers, this translates into a quieter, more comfortable journey whether they're commuting for work, school, or leisure. In fact, the noise levels have been reduced by over 30%, creating a more pleasant environment even during peak hours. The 2025 metro also incorporates smart technology for seamless connectivity. Riders can access Wi-Fi, real-time route updates, and contactless fare payment systems directly from their smartphones. The metro stations themselves are also being upgraded with AI-powered ticketing machines, energy-efficient lighting, and better accessibility features like tactile paths for the visually impaired and elevators for differently abled passengers. In some cities, facial recognition technology is also being tested for quicker entry and better security tracking. Another highlight of the 2025 metro train is its adaptability. Whether it's a high-capacity system for major cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Tokyo, or New York, or a more compact solution for smaller urban areas, the train can be configured to suit a variety of urban layouts and ridership needs. Additionally, integration with other modes of public transport such as buses, electric rickshaws, and ride-share services helps create a seamless, end-to-end commuting experience for daily travelers. Environmentally, the 2025 metro train stands out as a game-changer. Using green power sources such as solar and wind energy where possible, and incorporating eco-friendly materials in construction, this metro system contributes to cleaner air and reduced road congestion. The use of regenerative braking not only saves energy but also decreases maintenance needs, making the overall system more cost-effective in the long run. For the operators, maintenance is simpler and faster thanks to advanced diagnostic systems. Sensors placed throughout the train continuously monitor engine performance, wheel condition, brake wear, and more, sending real-time data to maintenance teams. This predictive maintenance approach means fewer delays, improved reliability, and longer service life for each train unit. Passenger feedback also plays a big role in the continuous improvement of the metro system. Through onboard feedback terminals and mobile apps, passengers can share their travel experience directly with the transit authorities, helping identify and fix issues more quickly. This interactive system promotes greater accountability and ensures that the metro continues to meet the needs of its users. Whether it's for daily commuting, reducing traffic pollution, or offering a more sustainable urban lifestyle, the 2025 metro train is a testament to innovation in public transportation. It's not just a train, it's a symbol of modern, efficient, and green city living. With faster speeds, improved safety, better comfort, and smart technology, it promises to change the face of city travel. That wraps up our look at the 2025 metro train. It's an exciting time for public transportation, and we're thrilled to see how these advancements will transform our daily lives. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest vehicles and transport innovations. Thanks for watching Autocars Land, and I'll see you in the next video.